Hey everybody, this is Eric at Learn Design with Eric. Long time no talk. And I apologize in advance for the super echoey room I'm in, but I had to move my desk and in the process of moving out of this house, and there will be more on that if you check out the Fishtails channel. There's a link in the description below for Eric and Christie's Fishtails. We're actually selling the house and hitting the road in a fifth wheel. So the reason, and by the way, if you have not already checked out that channel and subscribed, and do me a favor and drop a like and a comment if you have something to say of any kind. It doesn't have to be about RVs or anything we're doing with our life. But anyway, today's video is about this little thing right here. And I know it doesn't look like anything yet, but I bought this for my new desk, which I'm gonna show you my desk right now so you can see what it looks like, and apologize for the shakiness, because again, I'm using this little thing. But this is my new uplift desk, and as you can see, it is a mass of horrible wiring right now. I do not want to cable manage it yet, because it is going to be moved in just a few weeks. So I'm not going to do any crazy cable management, but I wanted to get this new thing on here so that I have a place to hang my headphones. So they're not just sitting in the middle of everything, because it's a mess and I don't like it. I'm going to put this tripod back here so it's not going crazy. So I'm going to show you exactly what I see. You're going to see what I say and everything else. So I'm going to pan this down so you can see what I'm doing. And this is a, oh, I guess I didn't need my fancy knife. This is a headphone mount and cup holder. And my first impressions when I felt the box weight was, this is going to be the cheapest thing known to man. And this is what I'm going to be putting on it, my handy dandy mirror bottle. And when it's full of water, it is pretty heavy. Well, that's actually a lot better than I thought it would be. It's not metal, but well, this is metal, of course. This bar, but it's actually, I think it is, it's aluminum. So this is aluminum and this is aluminum. That's a lot better than I thought it would be, like 1,000,000 times better. And this desk is about 1.5 inches thick, so I'm gonna kind of wish I had a screwdriver right now, so I know you don't want to wash all this. Okay, there's that. And then the cup holder, wow, that's nice too, actually. I'm very pleased with this. Oh, look at that. It comes with a screwdriver and everything. That is pretty cool. I think my wife's calling. Nope, somebody else is calling. They can just let it go to voicemail. So we've got a screwdriver, which is super handy. I think what I want to do is have my headphones hang inside and my cup holder hang outside. But you can do it either way. I guess you can mount it, you know, you can put it inside there and have it either, well, no, this thing rotates, that's what it is. So you can have it like that, which that's not bad either. What do you guys think? How would you run this thing? Things on the outside or things on the inside? I guess you can rotate it after the fact too if I decide to change my mind. Maybe I'll have it on the outside because I've already got something on the outside. Might as well have something else on the outside. I'm guessing it's going to go through this way. Nope, this way. Let's see what it does here. It's pleasantly surprising. I am kind of surprised by how nice this is for as cheap as it was. I will post the link for this in the description as well. It was an Amazon special, you know, like you've seen 1,000,000 times, this kind of thing. Chinese special. It's called a MAXTEQ, M-A-X-T-E-Q, and it's a cup holder and headphone hanger. And the headphone hanger's even got this fancy little thing right here. You can see that little notch. There's a little notch there and a little notch there. That's designed to hang your headphone jack from. I won't be using that, but that is kind of cool that it comes that way. So let me finish tightening this up so it's not coming loose on me. And then I'm gonna move you, hopefully without too much aplomb. Do a little of this and a little of that. And maybe up so you can see. I got my desk in standing position right now. And I kind of wanted to put it on this side of my desk. I just tried to mount another one and it was a terrible design. I mean, it seemed like it would be really good, but it did not work well. So I'm gonna send that one back. Boy, this is pretty dang nice. That's a beast, man. So the other one that I had, it was easily rotated, even though I had cranked it down with my screwdriver and stuff. And this is really secure. Whew, perfect fit for my mirror bottle. So I don't know about you, but I think that's a win. I'm pretty impressed. So I will put the link in the description below, but I'm saying approved. That thing is nice. And if I remember right, it was cheap too. I can't look it up because I bought it on my phone and my phone is right there right now. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Have a wonderful week and wonderful Memorial Day. And more to come soon. See you later.